In this video, we're going to talk about the home screen. This is just one section of the Humminbird user interface that's built on the XPLORE series platform, but it's also available for SOLIX and Apex users. This user interface is meant to be extremely user-friendly and simple to navigate, so let's explain the new home screen. First thing you're going to notice when you fire up your Humminbird is this newly redesigned home screen. Super simple to use, easy to identify icons. So the first thing you're going to see is your views. So you're going to have chart, your 2D, and different technologies that are available for this fish finder. So pretty basic, you can kind of get into those, find different views. These are the preset views. We're going to talk about that in a different video. So the next thing, jumping over to the left side, we're going to go right down the line. My data. So this is going to be your waypoints, your tracks, routes, the ability for you to export or import those onto SD cards or your phone. All of that information is right here. So I can go back to home by either pressing the home button or in the top left on touchscreen. Right here is going to be the One Boat Network icon. This is the ability for you to pair your phone, your Minn Kota trolling motor, or Minn Kota shallow water anchors. Next thing is going to be favorites. So these are your favorite views. This allows you to, customize or create your own views and set them as favorites so you can quickly and easily access them. So these are going to be my 12 favorite views that I have set up. We'll show you how to customize those in a different video. I already mentioned views. All right, so the next thing you see are your tools. This gives you a variety of different options like proximity alarms, updating your software, sun or moon phases, your screenshots that you've taken, a bunch of different options here in your tools section. Next is going to be new view. So similar to your views over here, this allows you to create a custom view. I can set different sizes, different technologies that I want to display on my screen, split screen or full screen. Again, we'll talk about that in a separate video. Next thing is going to be your settings. A variety of different settings for your boat, whether it's transducers that you're subscribed to, if you have multiple units, your trolling motor, you can check your software version, see what devices are on the network, a variety of different functions for the system and settings section. So just to run through a couple common settings for a lot of people. User preferences, you can update your date, time, so that's your date, but then also the time zone you're in case your time is off. Sonar, a common thing here would be sonar source. Here I can look and see which units are subscribed to which transducers, where are they pulling the data from. That's a nice section for you to take a look at. Another thing would be data sources like GPS and things like that. You can do all of that here as well. In system, another one would be system info. This is specific to this fish finder. But I also have multiple units on my boat. So I have multiple XPLORE units here. So I can go into the network info and I can see this XPLORE, the software version, my remote one up there, an Apex, a trolling motor, as well as my Mega Live. So those are some common things that you're gonna use in the settings section. If you want to learn how to be an expert with your Humminbird fish finders, check the description below for a link to a variety of different video resources explaining this user interface.